Hi everyone, want to teleport and clone yourself in like a sci-fi character? Here's how to create a clone teleportation effect in CapCut. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: a tripod or steady surface, CapCut mobile app, two video clips, and you can add a smoke, glitch, or teleport overlays and effects. And here are the step-by-step guide. So all you need to do is to record the two clips and import the both clips to the CapCut. Just open the CapCut and import the clip 1 and tap overlay for another clip 2 as overlay. And here you can also use a mask to reveal the clone. Use an overlay and tap the mask and use split or rectangle mask and drag and position the mask so that both versions of you are visible. You can also add a feather the edges for a clean blend. And you can also add a teleportation effect. This is optional. And here, for more nicer effects, you can add a sound effects and motion blur. And here's the bonus tip. Just slow down one clip for dramatic entrance, add a flash or glitch transition for extra impact, and use a freeze frame right before teleport for suspense. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.